In this video, we'll show you how to add a D10 or Zoom room. So if you're teaching somewhere like in Hickory and you want to reserve one of those rooms. So here I am in my Google Calendar. Before I start this process, you have to contact the person managing that room and make sure you've been added to that calendar. If you're not in that particular calendar, those rooms will not show up for you. So if I look here under other calendars, I have been added to App State Hickory Campus Building, AHC 1161A, so that gives me those options to reserve rooms in that room, or reserve times in that room. So once I've been added to that, I've confirmed that I'm in there. I'm going to select a time, and I'm going to go in here and go to more options. This gives me a few things that I can do. For the title, I want to make sure I add the course and the section number. So if I do IND, for instance, 3000, section 101, whatever course I'm teaching in, I want to repeat that. So I'm going to do custom. And so if I teach Monday, Wednesday, I'm going to offer those, and I want to select the end date as the last day of the semester that I teach in this course, and I want it to repeat every week. So I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel on that, because I don't want to build a bunch of events on this calendar since it's not really my room to teach in. I'm going to add, under Google Meet conferencing, I want to make sure I add the Zoom meeting. If you are here and you do not see Zoom meeting, you'll need to add that Zoom meeting add-on. You can go in and find instructions on how to do that. So here's my meeting created. So I've got everything in there, but now I need to connect it to that room. So here on the right hand side, we have guests, which is how I would add people to it. Don't need to do that. What I need to do is go to rooms. I'm going to find the building that the room that I'm looking for is in this case, the Hickory campus. And so we see here, I have access to two calendars there. The 1161A is the room we're talking about. And because it has this little door icon at the beginning, that means I can book that room. If it has the little slash through it, that means that room's not available to me to book. So I'm going to pick that room. And now when I go to save, here it is appearing on my calendar, and there's the room listed. So that has been scheduled. If I go into this and look at Zoom meeting notes, if I want to add this to my As You Learn class, I would copy the Zoom meeting, join Zoom meeting link. So I'm going to highlight that and copy it. I'm going to go over to an As You Learn class. I'm going to turn editing on. Now, anywhere that you can add a link would work, but I would recommend the URL function and say something like Zoom room meeting, or Zoom room for our class, and I'm just going to put that URL in there, and I'm going to hit save. So now that becomes a link within my As You Learn class. Student comes in here, clicks that link, it'll open up Zoom automatically and put them into the correct room, and the same for you. So I hope that helps.